The Anker Soundcore Life Note 3 NC is a pleasantly surprising pair of earbuds with strong sound that matches its powerful noise cancellation, all for less than $80. These true wireless earbuds do a better job of attenuating external sound than many pricier in-ear alternatives, and offer a broad range of customization options to boot. They wouldn't win any awards for accurate audio reproduction, but they're not developed with that in mind. Instead, they seek to provide thumping sound while reducing the impact of the world on your listening experience, and they deliver on both counts. The Anker Soundcore Life Note 3 NC comes in an informatively developed carton package, thanks to which you can immediately study the main characteristics, as well as download a branded application, which I will talk about a little later. The device is available in 3 colors, black, white and blue. The package bundle of the device is average. A charging cable, 4 pairs of ear pads, a charging case and the earbuds themselves. An excellent solution was the installation of magnetic closures in the charging case. Without them it is extremely inconvenient to place headphones in it. I want to note a very comfortable fit, not taking active noise cancelling into account. The model came out with excellent passive noise isolation. The ease of use is added by a proprietary application in which the user is offered many point settings, 3 active noise cancelling modes, and several sound profiles. The most convenient search mode activates a loud sound signal that will help you find the earpiece that is lying around. I was surprised by the active noise cancellation modes. They allowed me to bypass the real scourge of this technology. Usually when you're walking down the street and noise cancelling is active, you can hear some pretty annoying interference due to the fact that the wind gets into the microphones responsible for the active noise cancelling and causes interference. When the street mode is activated, magic happens and these noises disappear. Then we enter the transport, activate the transport mode, and a miracle happens. The active noise cancelling starts to actively muffle the vibrating, shock sounds. This difference in modes impressed me. Even on premium headphones of well-known brands, active noise cancelling lost to the wind. In general, this mode is implemented on 4 Plus. It does not work perfectly, but for this money you are unlikely to find something better. An 11mm graphene driver is responsible for this most important part. At first, it's hard to believe that they fit such large emitters into such an elegant case. Typically, headphones with these speaker sizes are much larger. In addition to the classic AAC and SBC codecs, Life Note 3 supports the more interesting AAC codec, which allows you to play high-quality music. They sound good, the sound is rich and deep. The bass is punchy, tight, thanks to the bass sub-technology, which gives incredible richness. These are one of the best bass models of this class. The low frequencies turned out to be enveloping, which gives its advantage when listening to hip-hop compositions. The mids are well balanced, the vocals sound lively, there are no questions about this part. High frequencies of full volume are slightly distorted, but I would not call these distortions critical. In general, the headphones play well on a solid 9 out of 10 points. The quality of the sound recording from this device was well done. The microphones, and there are as many as 6 of them, are perfectly tuned. You will forget about interference in the conversation. The sound is recorded with dignity. The battery life of the headphones is 7 hours, and thanks to the charging case, the total battery life will be 35 hours. The results are impressive. Not for nothing that Anker was famous for its batteries. In comparison, most TWS earbuds have a battery life of about 5 hours and 20 hours with the case. The Anker Soundcore Life Note 3 NC are the most effective active noise cancelling true wireless earbuds I've tested under $80. If you're buying buds for their noise cancelling capabilities alone, these are the earbuds to purchase. They also have an impressive array of customization options, and look better than many of their rivals. For a relatively small budget, we get a balanced product that, in addition to a decent bass sound, allows you to enjoy all the delights of active noise cancelling. Adding to this impressive battery life up to 35 hours, good assembly, interesting appearance, together we get a very interesting model of TWS earbuds. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was not only useful, but also entertaining. I'm waiting for your comments under this video. Have a nice day everyone and see you soon.